Hello and welcome to an interesting video. So where I'm at today is I'm at a $40 resort hotel on the border between Cambodia and Vietnam. And we're next to a big mountain, just a random mountain in the middle of nowhere. Just kind of popped up, and it's a bit of a tourist attraction. But anyways, I thought it was cool. I wanted to show you guys around. So it's actually a Chinese resort hotel. You can see all these lanterns are from the Chinese New Year. They're not Vietnamese at all, so the resort must be Chinese owned. But let me show you around. It's a pretty cool place. Just got here, just dropped my bags off. Frankly, I'm pretty tired. It was like a 6-hour drive from Ho Chi Minh City. The town that we're in now is called, this is gonna be bad, Dao Choc Dao. I think it's called Choc Dao. I'll write it in here. I think it's called Choc Dao. But basically, all the rooms are in like little villas themselves, and I'll show you my room in a minute. And I think the cost is about 40 bucks a night, which is, you know, compared to US prices, that's just unheard of. Check it out. Oh wow, this is cool. Honestly, I haven't even been out here myself, and I think we get a view of the Mekong River up here. But check it out, you got a tennis court there. I had no idea that was there. But yeah, right down here is the Mekong River. Looks like they even have boats set up. Like you got the little docks down there. You got folks in boats too, fishing. And then you have the other little, see how far you can go down. You got the other little, all those little houses on the river down there. And basically, this is like a tributary of the Mekong Delta that kind of shoots off. So the whole trip down here was to check out the Mekong Delta and then do hello. And it was to check out the Mekong Delta and then to climb a mountain, do some team bonding activities because I'm here with my company. But it looks like they have a pool, empty pool. Let's check it out nonetheless. Yeah, empty pool. But this place is pretty cool, honestly. This is the first town in Vietnam that I've seen that has a mosque. I don't know if you can see it from here, but in Choc Dao, I think it's called Choc Dao, there is actually a mosque and a pretty sizable Muslim community. Okay, damn, that'd be a lot of fun if it was full with water, because frankly it has been very hot lately. But this place is really cool and very Chinese oriented with all the lanterns. Super friendly. Oh, and beautiful. Look at all those flowers. Gorgeous. Is that a cherry blossom? Honestly, I have no idea. But I really like all this type of stuff hanging up and around. Oh, look, looks like there was a party here doing at some point. You got some swings for the kids and all that. Hello, hi. Making a video of this is part of the Mekong Delta, no?
Yep.
Yeah, part of the Mekong Delta. Like a side river. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk around a bit more. See you later. See you at 4:30. Oh, check it out. Okay, so you got the marina up there. So you could have a boat dock there, walk right on up to there, which is like it looks like a restaurant or a big sitting room. You want to be in my video? The video. This is Mr. Hi.
Your girlfriend, right?
Sorry?
You will send it to your girlfriend.
I showed it to my girlfriend, and yes, YouTube.
I can say hello.
Mr. Hi, yeah. And Mr. Nang. And Michael, yeah, we all work together. In the tech team. And so this is all part of a tech retreat that we're doing, and we're staying here for the night. And it's a pretty cool hotel. Pretty nice, very nice hotel. Very nice. Yeah, do you think that's a cherry blossom, or do you know what this name is? Flower. Paper flower. This is we got a restaurant up here, and this is all for Chinese New Year, right?
Yep. It's just for Chinese New Year.
For Chinese New Year, nice. This is the restaurant. Nice big restaurant.
Tomorrow we have breakfast.
Ah, nice.
We have breakfast
here.
Tomorrow.
Nice. That's beautiful. They really big party for the whole Chinese New Year. Yeah, we'll walk around there. Yeah, check it out. It has very good reviews on Google too.
Yep.
Very good reviews. I think later we go with some beer.
Yeah.
We'll go for some beer. Yeah.
Yeah, this evening.
What-
Tonight we go to the
To the river for some beer.
Side river.
Ah. What is the most popular beer in
Saigon.
Saigon.
Yeah,
Saigon.
beer.
Saigon beer. Check this out. So water lily pad. Water lily. Oh wow. That is
I think the lotus.
oh, it's a lotus.
Lotus,
It's
yeah.
a lotus. Ah, so sorry. So it's a lotus pad. Yeah, lotus pad. I've never seen those before. Oh wow. Big. Yeah, very big. That's pretty cool. Okay, and you get some more Chinese lanterns up there.
Yeah.
And a Chinese dragon. Ah, it's a Year of the Dragon. Year of the Dragon. Year of the Dragon.
Yeah, this year,
This year.
year.
Right. And this is almost like a pagoda itself right here.
Pagoda.
New pagoda, yeah. This is very nice. I'll go check it out. I'll walk around, yeah.
Yeah.
And you have something up there. And so is there a different pagoda too? We go to another pagoda.
Yeah. It's a famous pagoda in the western area.
Ah, a famous pagoda in the west.
Yeah.
Wow. Flowers. They keep it very, very pretty. Lots of flowers everywhere.
Yes.
Ah. Okay, and then you have some little. It's a big hotel.
Yeah, it's big.
They say it's online. They say it's a resort. It's that big.
It looks like a resort.
Yeah, it looks like a resort. Exactly. Nice new flowers. Very fresh flowers. Wow. This place is pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Ah, and you get the Chinese lanterns. And then this is, I think this is the end of the hotel. You get a massage if you want there. Oh, this may be some more rooms, places to sit. And then you're back down to the river. Right over there, the Mekong River. Ah, and then you have a shrine. Let's check that out. Very interesting shrine. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. I'll show the room next. But let's check out this shrine. It looks like a Chinese shrine. Don't really know exactly what for. Ah. Is this Buddhist or?
Yeah, Buddhist.
Buddhist. Ah, it's a Buddhist shrine. Buddhist shrine. Okay. They put the melon there as a gift. Beautiful. Even wow, that's very beautiful. Check this one out. Very detailed. Wow. The Buddhist shrine. You got the Mekong River right there. And we're pretty far up. This is right on the border with Cambodia. So you can drive to Cambodia.
Thank you, from here to
Yeah.
Cambodia.
Oh, that way. So if you go that way far enough, we can probably see it.
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers that way.
Yep.
It's Cambodia.
Cambodia.
So we can maybe see it from here.
Yeah.
Like maybe we are looking into Cambodia right now.
I think
pretty cool.
across the bridge.
Oh, that's a bridge across the bridge. Ah. Oh, I see. Oh yeah. You can see there's a little bit of a bridge far in the distance. Don't know if that'll be captured on the GoPro, but cross that bridge, you're in Cambodia.
Yep. It's Cambodia. Across the street is Cambodia.
Oh, you got some ducks there too. Have you ever been to Cambodia?
No, not yet.
I'd love to go one day.
Oh,
One day.
It's very here to Cambodia.
Very easy, yeah.
Easy.
Very easy. Have you ever been to Cambodia?
3 times.
3 times.
Yeah.
Nice. Me not yet. Hopefully one day. It looks like you can eat and take coffee outside. It's funny how Cambodia and Vietnam they're so close together, but they're so different. Cambodia is so different than Vietnam. Is that true, or is
Yeah,
is
it's a
it
little
similar?
different.
It's a little different.
The skin of Cambodia is more blacker than
More darker.
Vietnamese.
But I see.
Yeah.
And the language seems very different too.
Very different.
Very different.
They use the language of Thailand and Laos also.
Exactly. So different. So Vietnam
Yeah.
is so unique.
We use the Latin character.
The Latin.
Latin
And
character.
oh, for writing. Yeah, they use a Latin.
writing.
And
For writing and speaking also.
exactly,
we
and
follow
for
the
speaking, Cambodian is different. It's completely different
Latin. Yeah,
alphabet.
completely different.
Can you understand any Cambodian?
No.
No. Yeah, no, neither could I. I don't know anything in Cambodia.
Tomorrow we wake up early.
Early, yeah.
We go to the top mountain.
I know we'd hike the mountain. 5 a.m.
5
a.m. Exactly. I think I will take. I'll take the GoPro to do a hike the mountain. Yeah. That should be good. I think it will be good. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be beautiful.
You view to Cambodia.
Oh, we can see Cambodia from the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Have you climbed that mountain before?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I think Dang is
Expert.
yeah.
You're an expert at the mountain. That's cool. It's a very nice hotel. Very, very nice. So let's go. I'll show you the bed now. Let's show you the whole room, because the room is actually quite nice. You got a shower, bed, and actually a good view. A good view. So this is the building I'm staying in. Hua Fong. You can see my room through here. The outside. Really, it's beautiful. I mean, this place is just gorgeous. Before we go check out the room, I just want to check out. This is the parking lot and the road, the main lobby too. Check out this building. Very pretty. That's the bus we all came in. So we drove from Ho Chi Minh City to here, and it was a bit of a drive with all the stops. 6.5 hours from Ho Chi Minh City to here, and I'm gonna keep forgetting the name. I walk. No, I'm not even gonna try. I forget the name right now. Be able to see my room right through here. Well, actually, I don't. This is high stakes. I don't want to get it wrong. So because you could easily get the room wrong, and then we could be looking at someone else's room. So instead of doing that first, we'll go through and open up the normal way. Things just grow really, really well along the Mekong Delta. Yeah, we're in the Mekong Delta, next to the Mekong River. I think the whole area up next to the Mekong River is called the Mekong Delta. So, room is down here. I think it's like 30 bucks a night. So here we are, room 133. Hopefully this will work. I know. Oh, the key is not working. Gotta go get help. We're back with a new key, and actually they gave me a master key. Here we go. Also, they never give you a master key in the States. That's just would be unheard of. So here we are, fellas. So check it out. This is the mirror. You get the toilet there. You got your shower. Oi. I tested the water. Oh, don't get water right now. But I tested the water. It is quite hot. And then this is the room. Got some water. Oh, hear this story. So I bought some sandals in Ho Chi Minh City the other day because I was gonna pack them for the trip because we're going on like a water boat tomorrow, and I'm supposed to have two. You need sandals to keep your feet from getting wet, but oh my goodness, this is just so stupid and embarrassing. I only packed one of the sandals. The other sandal I left in Ho Chi Minh City. How stupid of me. But anyways, that's not the point. Here, the bed. I've already been in it. The bed is actually quite comfortable. Quite comfortable. I mean, yeah, it's a little. Oh, look at that hat. The sun was in my face too, so I had to get a hat. Keep it out, because I burn. Man, I'll tell you, I burn like a crisp. I burn like a crisp, like a lobster here in Vietnam. Yes. So this is the window. This is the view from the outside, and is absolutely gorgeous. Well, hey, that's about it. I hope you liked the video. This is definitely a little random one, and I will see you in the next one.